find the limit of this function, we're first going to plug in the 0. Now I am going to write the numerator a little bit differently. So since it's sine squared, I always like to write it like so. So if we plugged in a 0, this would be the sine of 0 squared over 0 squared. And if we look at the sine curve, sine of 0 is 0. So it's 0 squared over 0 squared, or 0 over 0, which is in indeterminate form. So we're going to use L'Hopital's rule. The numerator, we're going to use the power rule. The 2 comes down. Sine of 3x to the 1 less power. And then we use the chain rule on sine of 3x. Derivative of sine is cosine.